Yeah, so at Lenskart, we are focused on driving omni-channel retail in the space of eyewear. The key technology areas which we are focusing on is in the similar area, but main focus is on manufacturing technology, customer experience and marketing technology, and then the third area is in the space of data and analytics. So these are the three main pillars of technologies which we are investing going forward. Especially in the area of marketing technology, this is a very evolving space. As you know, a lot of customer attention is moving from the traditional medias of newspaper and TVs into OTT and Reels or Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook is also not much used this time, and YouTube. So we are investing more on building those platforms and driving customer behavior experience. And because these are very digital native platforms, they have a lot of data generated, and as we put our marketing spend, they are very much measurable. So with the advent of more of social influencer and with the invent of paid marketing in these platforms, we are trying to see how best ROIs we can generate. See, the objective of marketing is to improve the customer experience and improve the engagement. So the most important thing is to capture and organize the customer touch points across the ecosystem. So in our case, the customer interacts online through the mobile app, through our 1300 stores, on the call center and chat. So organizing all of that information and stitching the customer journey is a key thing. And then building campaigns or marketing strategies to influence it and to cross-sell, upsell, or to sell relevant products to the customer at the right time. So that requires a combination of analytics, tech, and marketing technology. When all of these things come together, campaign execution really goes very effective. And more we are seeing as people's time spent on TV is shifting to mobile and on YouTube Reels. How do we generate the relevant content is the key thing, but enabled by the right technology to infuse it. Yeah, the event is very good. We have different partners who have come in from companies like Aerospike, from Freshworks, and different companies who are into cloud native technologies and there. So it's been great interacting with them and also talking to the industry leaders. So it's always fun. In terms of data management, so with a lot of digitization happening, the main challenge or the growth is we are capturing more information in every touch point, whether it is in our call center, in our every interaction. So there is a spurt of data coming in for us. The key challenge is to make sense out of it, especially the unstructured data. So organizing the data to make sense is the biggest problem statement we face, and we are seeing a lot of data generated more in the online space. So we are investing our time and energies heavily into understanding the omni-channel behavior of the customer. So that's what we are focusing on.